Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to create under maintenance page on Wix website. If you follow these easy steps, then you will be able to easily create any under construction page, then coming soon, or this kind of page for your Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor, and then in this left hand menu, click on pages and menu, and now just click on add page to create a new page. And in this left hand menu, here you will find this landing page. So all you have to need, select landing page, and now in this landing page template section, here if you scroll down, you will find here maintenance page and launching soon page, and you will find here coming soon page. So we are going to add maintenance page, right? So select this template, and here rename your page under maintenance and click on done. And now click on the three dot next to the page, and now here you have to click on set as home page to make the under maintenance page default or your website homepage. Now again click on this three dot and click on settings, and now enable hide from menu and go to layout section, and here select no header and footer. Okay, now it's time to customize our maintenance page. So select any text, and then you will be able to replace the text by clicking on edit text, and if you want to change this photo, just select the photo and click on change image to change image. Also, if you want to add a new elements, just go to this new element section to add it. Okay, customize these under constructions or under maintenance page according to your requirements. And now let's see the final preview. And here, as you can see, my maintenance page has been successfully created. So this is how we can do it. And don't forget to click on publish your website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.